mind Wolverine over my shoulder. I've only been working on him for about 7 or 8 years. And I got my son down here. Hey, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and this is a special What's in the Box video because 2 of the items I had to open early to inspect them, but I'm going to go through them with you. Some of you may recognize this box. If you don't, I'll let you know what it is. And I also have a package here to open that I don't know what it is. I've had it for about a week. Don't remember what they shipped me. So, let's get started with some fun box opening. And I think you'll be surprised at what you see today. Okay, let's get started opening some of this stuff. Like I said, I have no idea what's in this. Probably Batik of the Month or Solid of the Month. And this is our Batik of the Month. And it is called Bold and Bright. Right up my alley, Bold and Bright. And if you're new here, when I open these, you get 12 fat quarters. You get a card showing you the item number of the fat quarter. If there's one particular one that you like, you can reorder it. And then let's look at these. They really do a great job with curating their fat quarters. And this Bold and Bright is beautiful. I like to keep this in my stash. Like at the beginning of the video, you saw my Wolverine. It just helps with things like that, having a choice of colors. Plus, you know, you can use it in projects. You've got a curated set of colors to use in a project also that you can cut up with fat quarters. So there is my fat quarter of the month club. And I love that. That is so pretty. Called Bold and Bright, and I've got a link to this down below to these fabrics if you like them. So exciting! Always exciting. So the next thing I had to order is this designer, or I didn't have to order, I had to open it, is this designer mystery block of the month club that I've been advertising for since January. I think I signed up for it. It's supposed to come out in May, but supply issues kept it from coming out earlier. This is at Fat Quarter Club, or Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm not sure that it's still available. I couldn't find it. Maybe because they just sent them out. They're low in stock. It may come back up, or they may sell each block separately. But this is the box that it comes in. You can see it's gorgeous. It's a nice big block. This is the finishing kit for the entire quilt. So it gives you the pattern to finish. And of course you can see that all these blocks are not there because they're going to be mysteries. But the first block did come also. And the designer this month, is Camille Roselli from Thimble Blossoms. And it's called Sand Dollar. And that's what it looks like. And you get the fabrics to complete this block. And it will match the fabrics that you get in here. So what else you get in here is fabric for setting and binding, which I will assume is these blocks that you see here. And the finishing pattern, which is this. You get some alpha bitties. So you've got, I had these in my last video and I was talking about how much I love them. So I've got the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s, and then I've got double A's and anything beyond 10. So that will come in very handy putting this together. It comes in very handy with most quilt patterns. And then this is the fabric you get for the finishing kit. And the fabric that is being used in this kit is, let me make sure I get it correct, Nantucket Summer Collection by Camille Roselli, right here. So she's the one that designed this, and these are the fabrics that are going to be used in this quilt. And one thing I've always found with these kits is you get plenty of fabric. You will probably have fabric left over. But yeah, that is gorgeous. I don't work that much with blues, so this interested me. And I haven't done a block of the month in a while, so that interested me. So yeah, I've got, I'll put a link to these fabrics down below if you like the fabrics and you have something in mind that you would like to use them for. I have a link to the fabrics. I'll find a link for the quilt of the block of the month if I can find one. And like I said, they may be putting these blocks up separately also. So that's what I had to open. Look out for future videos of me doing these each month. It's going to be so much fun. I'm looking forward to doing that block. So yeah, I had to open that to inspect it. And it was an awful large box too. And so the last thing I've got is, it's really exciting. I am going to be working with this half rectangle trimmer that's by Fat Quarter Shop. They sent this to me and I am so excited to try it out. You make your triangles bigger and then you use this to cut out your rectangles so that they'll have nice square corners. I know that when I try to put two triangles together and sew them because they're on the bias, they can get a little wonky, so you make them bigger. You use this to cut it out. And I'm going to make this quilt right here. I'm going to make this quilt right here using this tool. Now this quilt is made with, it's called Black Diamonds. It's made with the Create collection by Allie K Designs for Motive Fabrics, which has not been released yet. And it's beautiful. I like color in my quilts, so I got some different colors. I went with some Tulip Pink, and I went with her line art, which is black and whites mostly, but it does have some color in there. It's got some animals, and it's got this pretty mint green. So I'm going to be using line art by Tulip Pink in mine. I've got some, I also bought line art charm squares because I've got these squares in the middle of these blocks here that will fit a charm square perfectly. So these will match up. They've got animals in them that I can use and designs. So I'm excited about using these in the center of the blocks. These are going to be made out of my half square triangles. And I think I'm going to throw in some color this way. They're not half square triangles, my half rectangles. I've been doing a lot of half square triangles recently. But my half rectangles, I'm going to use some color inside of these also. In some of these rectangles. So that it's not going to be all black and white. So I got some solids and I got some of these colors. This is the, oh, what is this called? Tulip Pink Daydreamer Charm Squares, which has a lot of color in it. And I've got links down below for this, but you know, I'd love it if you would follow along with me. Ooh, that's cool. Follow along with me as I make this quilt and use this tool to create this beautiful half rectangle quilt with some color in it. I also got this for, I got this mint green for my background here so that it's not white. And then some hexy rainbow for the backing, which I already had some left over from another quilt I did, so I just got some extra fabric, and that's going to be my backing. So this is going to be super fun to do. Yeah. So hit the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell. You can watch me put together this quilt with this tool. And you can watch me do this designer mystery block of the month each month. Oh, and we've got Boo Crew coming out today too. So we've got a ghost and a candle. I'm gonna be doing that later and putting a video up on that too. So lots of fun things going on here. So hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can stick with me on this one. Share the video with the half rectangle trimmers that I'm going to be working with. I would love it if you would do that, and head over to my website, sign up for my newsletter, and you can follow along there. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to working on these quilts in the future.